This anti-aging skin glowing soap will remove wrinkles and dark spots and keep your skin very tender and young looking. You are welcome. Here we have fresh turmeric, and then you clean the turmeric like this and grate it very smoothly, as you can see in the video. The next thing is to extract the juice. So I pour it into a sieve and extracted the juice. Here is the juice that I extracted, and in the other container is the chaff. The chaff is not a waste because I'll be using it to make facial scrub, so you keep it aside. Here are the ingredients for this anti-aging skin glowing soap. I have caustic soda, which is 30 grams, just 30 grams of caustic soda. And then I have chloramzanol, 30 grams also. This removes all kinds of blemish from the skin. I have it in 30 grams. And our turmeric juice is 30 ml, which is 3 spoonfuls full. We are going to be using it for this soap. The next thing is glycerin. Our glycerin, we are going to take 2 spoons, which is 20 ml. And then we have antiseptic liquid. You can take any antiseptic liquid of your choice. This one is Anitol, my product, a variant of Dettol. I'm putting 30 ml of that. And then we have our oil, which is palm kernel oil, 350 ml. We are making this chaff, like I said, is not a waste. You keep it aside. I will use it to make facial scrub, which I will show to you also. So now, going to the video, you get a mixing bowl just like this. Anything that is yours to make is a small soap I want to make just for use. Then I didn't want to use our normal silicone mold. I'm using this takeaway plate as my mold. Then dissolve soda with only 50 ml of water, which is 5 spoons of water. The reason why the quantity of water is reduced is because our turmeric juice is also a liquid. Our antiseptic juice liquid is also there, and our glycerin. So all these things put together give you back the measurement for liquid that we'll be mixing with the caustic soda. So after dissolving the caustic soda, you have light solution. Then that light solution is what we use to melt the chloramzanol. Don't forget, the chloramzanol is not going to dissolve completely like that substance, because this soap is kind of herbal soap you like at the end of the day. So you're just going to melt it, dissolve it to some extent, and continue with the process. So then after smashing it to some extent, like I told you, it's not going to dissolve, crystal clear like other things that you know. But after mashing it to some extent, you can go on with the process. So the things we have left to do is to add the antiseptic liquid. I said you can use any one of your choice. This is my product, Anitol. You can check out the video. I have the video of how to make that antiseptic liquid. It's a brand of Dettol. So you add it and then mix it again very well. What you have ingredients for this soap is very powerful and very effective. Chloramzanol will take out blemish. It will clear off blackheads and all kinds of sunburn and heat rashes. Then you add your antiseptic liquid that smoothens the skin. Then this is our turmeric juice, no water, just pure turmeric juice. You can even see the reaction that is giving right now. Everything is being black, looking like iodine. There is nothing wrong with it at all. So you mix it up very well. This turmeric will brighten you up, make your skin to glow. Now we are adding our PKO. As you are adding your PKO, you will be turning it immediately. You stir it immediately as you turn the oil. Then you can see the soap is already formed. the soap is forming. I tell you, this soap is very, very effective. It's a unique recipe that is very, very effective. It works very perfect on skin, make your skin to glow, remove all the wrinkles, blackheads and blemishes, and give you that tender looking skin that will make you look 20 years younger than your real age. So after pouring the oil, you continue to stir. The essence of stirring it very well is to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed up completely. Finish up with antiseptic liquid and then add your glycerin. Now glycerin also is effective for skin glow, and then it also make you to look tender because it will rehydrate your skin. So you can see it's moisturized and also makes your skin to glow. So you stir it again very well to make sure that all the ingredients are mixed up completely, before you pour it into your. Now I'm going to add vitamin E. So you add your vitamin E. I have it in capsules. So whichever form you have your vitamin E is okay. Maybe you have it in drops, you can use the drops. But I have the capsules, so I'm using the capsules. These capsules are the ones that you can add to your cream, and it also gives you a nice result. So you stir it again, mix very well. And I use a tube of glycerin to grease the plastic mold. Now, if it is your silicone mold, like the one I've been using, you don't need to grease it. The body is already, soft and wet. So you use this one, just grease it and pour in the soap mixture into it. You leave it to dry. Just leave it to dry. Give it some time and leave it to dry. Please, if you have been watching to this point, appreciate you. Like this video, make your comment and share to your friends. Tell me what you think about this recipe. I want you to try it. Now this is after 3 hours. Look at the soup. It came out very strong and very, very neat, looking very nice. And I did not add extra fragrance to it because of the antiseptic liquid, and even the Chloramzanol. They gave it their own fragrance, which is very nice. So look at it. Washing my hand with this. This is how it lathers, and you can use it to bathe morning and night and watch your skin glow and turn your skin back to when you were a youth. Thanks for watching. God bless you.